This has to be my favorite trade setup when it comes to order flow, the concept of absorption. This is a footprint chart here. I'm already in this trade, so we can yap about it, we can explain it, because when I get into a trade, I just let it go to take my profit or into my stop, and then I start managing things. So this is the epitome of absorption on the S&P 500. Absorption is the criteria where there's very aggressive buy side that fails to continue on the long side, or very aggressive sell side that fails to continue on that downside. So this is a profile chart here on the S&P where we've accumulated a lot of positive delta into the highs, as well as a lot of negative delta into the lows. So when I look at this, and buying gets very aggressive into highs without actually continuing, especially on the footprint chart here. You can see they're very, very bright passive sellers and aggressive buyers that are coming together to create this absorption. When I see something like that and it matches to the profile itself, with all of that clustering of delta, that for me is a prime reversal trade. So we're in here with the S&P. It's still kind of just like chugging along, moving along. But when I saw this kind of massive buy side get rejected super aggressively into that block of delta, I could just put my stops above that area and try to get in with about 4 to 5 points of risk. And I'm looking for 2 to 1 to 3 to 1 so we can see if we can actually get that rollover back down. There are situations where, you know, right now, for instance, we have some kind of passive buying, sellers getting trapped right into this area of pretty aggressive buying from before. But with this mass absorption, realistically, a target can be down into the area where those sellers got absorbed as well. So we're short about 9 here. I'm trying to take like half off at like 2 to 1 R. See if we can flush this thing to the downside. But when I see this kind of setup, based on order flow on the footprint as well as the delta profile, for me, it's a no-brainer to take that reversal. It's one of my favorite reversal trades, and I think that you guys can use it, right? If you want this footprint, if you want this chart book, you can go check us out at community.tradeproacademy.com, where you can download it for free, and there's a link in the bio that you don't want to miss out on.